Hi, welcome to Future Technos Today. We're diving into one of the most compact yet powerful desktops ever made by Apple, the brand new Mac Mini M5. If you've been waiting for Apple to bring even more muscle to a tiny desktop form factor, this is the video you've been waiting for. The Mac Mini has always been known as the small but mighty option in Apple's lineup. But with the arrival of the M5 chip, Apple has transformed this little box into a beast that professionals, creators, and even casual users will love. From performance to design to features that feel futuristic, there's a lot to unpack here. Starting with design, Apple hasn't changed much. And honestly, that's not a bad thing. The Mac Mini M5 keeps its iconic aluminum body with the compact square footprint and rounded edges. It looks minimal, elegant, and simple, exactly what you'd expect from Apple. Whether it's on a home desk, in an office, or a professional editing studio, it blends in seamlessly. It's small enough to hide under a monitor or carry with you, but don't let the size fool you. Inside, Apple has re-engineered the thermal system so it can handle the insane power of the M5 chip without overheating or throttling. The real star here is, of course, the Apple Silicon M5 chip. This latest custom processor builds on everything we loved about the M1, M2, and M3 generations, but pushes it even further. Apple claims CPU performance is up to 30% faster, while GPU performance is nearly 40% faster compared to the previous generation. That's incredible when you think about how small this machine is. For video editors, that means 4K and even 8K footage playback without stutters. For 3D designers and animators, complex scenes render in record time. For developers, compiling massive projects is faster than ever. And for AI-focused workflows, machine learning models run smoother thanks to the upgraded neural engine inside the M5. This is raw power packed into a device that can literally sit in the palm of your hand. But performance is only one part of the story. What about noise and heat? That's where Apple nailed it again. Despite being so small, the Mac Mini M5 runs whisper quiet. The cooling system is designed to keep it stable during long, heavy workloads without sounding like a jet engine. For creators working with audio or video in silent environments, this is a dream. You can push it to the max and it stays cool, quiet, and rock solid. Now let's move to graphics. Apple's M5 chip brings huge upgrades to the integrated GPU, and this time we can finally say the Mac Mini is a real option for gaming. With macOS's new game mode, performance gets optimized by reducing latency and giving the GPU more power. Paired with the M5 chip's horsepower, you're looking at console-level gaming performance in a desktop this small. Modern titles run smoothly, high refresh monitors are supported, and the experience feels fluid. Apple's gaming ecosystem still needs to grow, but the hardware is now fully ready for gamers. Of course, the Mac Mini is a favorite among professionals too, and this generation takes it to another level. The M5 supports multiple high-resolution displays, so you can create a dual monitor or even triple monitor setup. Imagine editing on a 6K display while keeping tools and timelines on a 4K monitor. It's seamless. Color accuracy, HDR, and ecosystem integration make it perfect for photographers, designers, and videographers. Final Cut Pro runs like butter. Logic Pro handles massive sessions, and third-party tools like DaVinci Resolve, Blender, and Adobe Creative Suite tap into the M5 chip's full potential. Apple has even made improvements in audio performance. With 32-bit recording support, the Mac Mini M5 delivers studio-grade audio. Podcasters, streamers, and musicians can record and edit without needing tons of extra gear. This simplifies setups and saves money while still delivering crystal-clear sound. Connectivity is another win here. The back panel gives you Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, and a headphone jack. Whether it's external storage, pro audio gear, monitors, or 8K displays, the Mac Mini M5 has the ports to handle it all. This flexibility makes it stand out compared to some other compact Apple machines that rely only on USB-C. The M5 chip's efficiency is also worth noting. Apple has managed to make it both more powerful and more power efficient. That means lower electricity use, less heat, and long-term reliability. Even though it's a desktop with no battery, this efficiency matters because it ensures stability and consistency for years to come. Unlike many small PCs that struggle with throttling, the Mac Mini M5 runs at full speed all day without hiccups. So who is this machine for? Honestly, almost everyone. Students who want a compact, powerful computer will love it. Creators who work with video, audio, or design will find it a reliable partner. Music producers can stack hundreds of tracks without slowdown. Gamers finally get smooth performance in Apple's ecosystem. And everyday users who want a tiny, quiet, and super efficient desktop will find this to be the perfect solution. Now let's talk pricing. Apple is known for expensive devices, but the Mac Mini M5 actually stands as one of the best values in their entire lineup. It gives you cutting-edge performance at a much lower cost compared to a Mac Studio or Mac Pro. For many people, the Mac Mini M5 will be more than enough computer for years to come. And because it's Apple, everything integrates with the wider ecosystem. AirDrop, iCloud, Universal Control, and iMessage all work perfectly. You can start a project on your Mac Mini and continue on your MacBook or iPad. If you own an iPhone, it feels like an extension of the same ecosystem. That kind of seamless workflow is something few other brands can offer. So what's the verdict? The Mac Mini M5 is tiny but unbelievably powerful. It delivers workstation-level performance, console-quality graphics, pro-grade audio, and strong connectivity in a form factor that fits anywhere. It's quiet, efficient, and ready for everything from casual use to heavy professional workflows. If you've been waiting for the perfect balance between performance, value, and size, the Mac Mini M5 is the desktop to beat.